from what I can tell, most energy solution providers today are doing what I'd call splicing AI into their existing systems to enhance functionality and workflows. And they're using AI or machine learning to optimize forecasts or large language models to add a chat layer so users can query the data. That's progress, but it's incremental because they're adding the intelligence onto an existing system. And in my opinion, the real shift happens when you embed the AI at the architectural level as a core component of the system, where every feature, every signal, every workflow is inherently intelligent by design. And when that's the case, can you imagine having tools at your disposal that would completely understand you, the market, and your business processes to be able to facilitate your decision making versus only displaying data and information? That's pretty powerful. To me, decision intelligence is the bridge between information and action. It's not just about improving specific functions, analytics, or predicting outcomes. It's about understanding the context, the priorities, and timing. A truly intelligent system doesn't just show you what's happening. It helps you understand in real time what matters and guides you in deciding what to do next. So imagine having a system that's your 24/7 personal assistant that could think and collaborate with you, not just for you. Starting fresh means you get to define the signal architecture of intelligence from the ground up, where the raw data turns into foresight, guiding your decisions, driving actions, and delivering repeatable performance. I mean, you can hardwire learning, the context, and the feedback right into the system, so every outcome is used to improve your next decision. That's when your product stops being a tool and it starts thinking with you. And think about what it would mean if your software actually learned from every decision you made. I think humans win when it comes to context and nuance. AI is great at pattern recognition, but people understand intention, the why behind the pattern. The best systems, in my opinion, don't compete with human intuition, rather they enhance it. And that's the media value add today. Decision intelligence learns from the best human inputs and scales it across your operation. But what excites me the most is what's next, a system where the users and AI learn together, they adapt on the fly, and it keeps getting better with every decision. Trust. Getting users, traders to act on AI recommendations is tough. And honestly, I think it should be. People don't want black boxes. They want to understand the why behind every call. And that's why we designed for transparency. You don't want the system just giving you answers. You want it to show you the evidence and its reasoning. Would you trust a system that couldn't explain itself? I don't think so. Honestly, innovation only really matters if it improves the way people actually work, where the way a user thinks about what they want to do and what they need to do to make it happen, it has to feel seamless. You can build the smartest system in the world, but if it messes with a trader's workflow, it will fail. And that's why we build with our users, not for them. The fastest way to innovate is start right where they are now and take things to the next level. I think the biggest misconception is that automation is going to remove people. It doesn't. It removes the friction. It takes the repetitive noise out of the day, giving people more room for strategy and creativity. The goal isn't to replace the decision makers, it's to elevate them. I mean, what could you accomplish if you had an extra hour of clarity every single day? I think in the energy industry, it's all about the cadence. You have 5-minute markets, you have real-time telemetry, constant feedback loops. Energy data doesn't just change, it evolves. Building intelligence here, I think it means systems that learn continuously, not quarterly, but daily, hourly, every 5 minutes, and I think sometimes in seconds. So the question for energy operators and traders is, can the AI that you're using learn at the speed that the market moves? I think success is when the adoption happens because the users feel empowered, not trained. And when people say, the system gets me, that's real product-led growth. It's built on trust, intuition, and intelligence that feels invisible, but it's always there. Imagine if your product could anticipate the next best move for every user. That's a hard question. I think in 5 years, decision intelligence is going to be built into everything we do. Intelligence won't be a feature anymore. It'll be the entire experience. The systems we design will learn from every decision, every outcome, every moment of every day. And when that intelligence is embedded in everything we do and it's invisible, it's hard for me to imagine what new possibilities will become visible.